Okay, this is a how-to on how to use our student management system Schoology to add a test or quiz to your particular class. I recommend first creating them in resources, your resource folder, so then you have them for future use. So in the top menu, you're going to select resources and personal, and it takes you to your resources. I would probably create a new folder to stay organized, so create a new folder, drop down menu, new folder. We'll call it test folder. And let's go into that folder and we're going to add a resource. And we have a bunch of options here, but I'm just going to talk about the test and quiz option. Let's name our quiz sample test. And we'll make it 10 points. All right. Now we can start building our test, adding questions. Let's just add one question here. All different types of questions that we can order: true, false, multiple choice, short answer, matching. You also have the option to just add some text or a page break if you want to give some direction throughout the test. Let's do a multiple choice question, simple multiple choice question. 2 plus 2. We'll put our correct answer and our distractors down here. And remember to select the correct answer. If you don't use all 4 choices, you need to remove blanks. Won't let you create it with a blank, or if you didn't select your correct answer. I usually like to randomize the choices, selecting that, and to this point I haven't messed with partial credit or timing any particular question. And then you can set a number of points per question. So then I will create the question, and here I have one sample question. Can go ahead and preview it. All right, there is my question I've created. I'm happy with that. Last thing to do is to come back to the settings tab and let's go over the settings. We can put some further instructions if we want to put instructions. We can add a time limit. You can add a second attempt if you want to. I've used that before. A student had some technology issues. I gave her another attempt. I usually randomize the order of the questions just to cut down on cheating, and I almost always make this test resumable. That's important because students will get kicked off of the network in the middle of the test, and I want them to be able to get right back into that test, resume it where they left off without starting over. And I usually leave the view submissions at no until everyone has been able to take the test throughout the day, and then I'll change that the following day. And then I can save those changes. I'm going to go back to the resource and just show you that you can get back into this anytime and make changes. So we can select this little edit wheel over here. We can edit the settings, maybe change the number of points or the title. We can edit the questions, and eventually we're going to want to add this to a course. So you select add to course, and pretty simple, you just select the course that you want to add it to. And I'll put it in this class right here, chapter 1, due date, hard grade,